guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhavya Bangera. For people who are new here, it's been so long I had not posted anything on my YouTube channel, and this is like almost after a year I'm posting, and this is my first video. And also I would like to thank each one of you for staying with me on my channel in spite of me not posting anything on my YouTube. So thank you so much guys, because this means so much to me. And also thank you for 1k family. I am like, it's like more than 1k family now on my YouTube, and I'm so thankful to you, and I hope you guys grow like this together. So thank you so much for supporting. And if you like this video, if you like today's video, then please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Today's look is kind of a dewy look that you all can see. This is basically inspired from Janhvi Kapoor's makeup look, which I had actually asked you all on my Instagram that what look you all want to see on my YouTube video. So this is what most of the people wanted me to do this. So I hope you guys like this. This is like a minimum product makeup look, which you all can carry on a daily basis. So without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, so let's start. Okay, so I have nothing on my face. So what I am going to do is I'm going to spray this toner, which is Lakme Absolute Pore Fix Toner. This bio oil, I would be using a bio oil because मेरी skin काफ़ी ज़्यादा dry है, इसीलिए to keep it moisturized I would be using this bio oil. ये basically एक dry skin gel है, आप देख सकते हैं, ऐसी है इसकी consistency. Okay, so it's like very oily because it's bio oil, but in a gel base. So मैं उसको बहुत कम यूज़ करने वाली हूँ, स्पेशली on my cheeks and my forehead. So like you all can see, ये ऑयल जो मैंने लगाया था मेरे स्किन में प्रॉपरली अब्जॉर्ब हो चुका है अभी. सो नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज़ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ अ मॉइस्चराइज़र. ये जो मॉइस्चराइज़र मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ, this is from Clinique. So a bit of this, I think this much is good enough. And I love this moisturizer because ये dry skin के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है, बहुत मॉइस्चराइज करता है. So I really like this. जो भी स्किन केयर आप यूज़ करेंगे, मेक श्योर कि आप उसके नेक्स्ट स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट के पहले थोड़ा सा ब्रेक ले. मेरी स्किन अब काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी हो गई है. I mean, after I moved to UAE, I had like severe problem with my skin because मैंने यहाँ पे स्किन केयर रूटीन छोड़ दी थी, and you know I was not really doing much, but now it's so good. And अगर आप लोग मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करते हैं तो आप लोगों ने देखा होगा मुझे स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करते हुए फ्रॉम द स्किन क्राफ्ट पोर्टल. Oh, by the way, I'm using this orange concealer which is from LA Girl Pro, which is from LA Girl. It's a pro concealer. Okay, so I'm using this क्योंकि मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा डार्क सर्कल्स, काफ़ी ज़्यादा नहीं बट हाँ डार्क सर्कल्स और अनइवन स्किन है अभी फ़िलहाल. बट जब से मैंने ये जैसे मैं बोल रही थी, आई हैव बीन यूजिंग स्किन क्राफ्ट पोर्टल के प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड सिंस देन मेरे स्किन का टेक्सचर, मेरे स्किन का कलर, द पिगमेंटेशन काफ़ी ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव हो गया है. एंड अराउंड माई माउथ थोड़ा सा. If you all have a clear and a flawless skin, then you all can skip this step. तो इसको अच्छे से मैं blend कर लूँगी. Okay. So next I am going to use this All Nighter Ultra Glow Face Primer. It is from Urban Decay. What I am going to do is I am going to take a tad bit of this. Okay. And this is a concealer. This is from Naked Stay Naked Concealer. Okay, so I'll be taking, basically this is a darker shade and not a lighter shade, so I'm going to take a darker shade because I'm going to mix both of these products together. Let me just mix this up. So from here, the voice that I was talking wasn't recorded. I don't know for what reason. तो यहाँ से मुझे वॉइस ओवर करना पड़ेगा. आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर दिस इनकन्वीनियंस. सो मुझे एग्जैक्टली नहीं याद है कि मैं क्या बोल रही थी, बट इन दिस आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू शो यू गाइज दैट मैंने डार्क कलर का कंसीलर यूज़ किया है विच इज़ लाइक एग्जैक्टली माई शेड फ्रॉम अर्बन डीके, और उसको डैम ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से मैं ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ. And I'm not going to use a lot of product here, which is why I would be skipping the foundation here, and I'm just going to play with two concealers. One would be the darker shade and one would be a lighter shade of concealer. Now I'll be taking a lighter shade of concealer. This is from Maybelline. I think the shade number is 130 medium. I would put it in the description, all the details of the product, so you can read in the description. So I'm going to use it under my eyes for my dark circles, which are where I have used a corrector, orange corrector, and also around my mouth, and of course the T-zone, just to brighten up. To set my face with a loose powder, this is a banana powder which is from Forever 52. So I am not going to use this powder all over my face. I am going to only use जहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि मुझे creases आ जाएंगे, जैसे मेरे underneath the eyes है, around my mouth है, सिर्फ वहीं पर मैं यूज़ करूँगी. क्योंकि हम आज एक डुअल लुक क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए हम सारा फेस को बेक या सेट नहीं करेंगे. Now with the help of a powder brush, I am just going to blend everything out, especially on top of the eyelid जहाँ पे creases आ जाते हैं जल्दी से. इसके बाद I am going to use a bronzer. This bronzer is from Pose in the shade Cinnamon Terracotta. डिटेल्स आप नीचे चेक कर सकते हैं. तो ये ब्रॉन्ज़र मैं यूज़ करने वाली हूँ just to give a little warmth to my face. At this point you all can also contour your face, but in this video I am going to only contour my nose and nothing else. And with the same shade I'm going to contour my nose. Next I'm going to do my eyebrows, and ये जो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ, ये पेंसिल मैंने ऑर्डर किया था Shein से. It is from She Glam. That's the brand which is on Shein. तो मैंने वहाँ से ऑर्डर किया था, and I am so much in love with this pencil कि मैं जब से ये आया मैं बस यही यूज़ कर रही हूँ. ये ब्राउन शेड में है. ओके, जैसे आप देख सकते हैं आईब्रोज थोड़े डार्क हो गए हैं, इसीलिए अब मैं आपको एक टेक्निक बताऊँगी. ऐसे केस में आप क्या कर सकते हैं. तो आप ये हैक यूज़ कर सकते हैं. आप थोड़ा सा सेटिंग पाउडर लेकर आईब्रोज के ऊपर यू कैन जस्ट डैब विथ अ पाउडर ब्रश. इससे दो चीज़ें होंगी. एक तो आपकी आईब्रोज जो है वो सेट हो जाएगी, और दूसरा जो एक्सेस प्रोडक्ट है वो थोड़ा लाइटन हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट इज़ सपोज टू बी डन. अब मैं हुडा ब्यूटी डेजर्ट डस्ट पैलेट यूज़ कर रही हूँ, जस्ट सो दैट थोड़ा सा डिमेंशन आ जाए, थोड़ा सा डेप्थ आ जाए. तो उसके लिए मैं ये शेड यूज़ करूँगी, लेकिन उससे पहले जो भी क्रीसेस हैं मेरे आईलिड्स पर उसको मैं क्लियर करूँगी विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ पाउडर ब्रश. सो आई एम यूजिंग वेरी लिटल ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू मच ऑफ color on my eyes, since we are creating a very natural look. That is why I am going to use minimum product over my eyelid. After this I am going to use this shimmery shade which is Nefertiti from the same palette. I'll take it on my fingers and I will dab very gently. After this I am going to use this black kajal eyeliner to line only the tight line and nowhere else. I'm just using it on my tight line. After this I'm going to use this brown kajal pencil which is from Essence, and I'm going to use this on the top lid. Just I'm going to draw a line and then smoke it out with my fingers. No brush needed for this. This way you will get the most natural look that we actually want for this. Now let's curl the lashes. This mascara I got from Shein again. It is in the brand Mia, and since the time I have got this I am loving it, and I am using only this. I am not using any other mascara because I am in so much love with this mascara. So now the eye makeup is complete. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe off this lip balm that is on my lips so that I move ahead with the lipstick. But before that, I am going to add some blush onto my face. And for that, I would be using this shade, which is from Forever 52. And also, to make this creamy consistency, the texture to be creamy, I'm going to add some setting spray onto my face, and then with my fingers I'm going to dab this blusher, which is basically a eyeshadow. You all can see how beautiful this color looks, which is why I opted to use this as a blusher instead of eyeshadow today. So now comes the best part, some highlighter. So to use this highlighter, which is from PAC, I am going to use some setting spray onto the brush and use this highlighter on the high points of my face. Also, I'm using a bit of this highlighter onto the inner corner of the eyes. Now moving on to lips, I'm using this lip liner, which is from PAC, and I am going to line my lips, and also I'm going to fill in my lips with the same shade and the same pencil. I'm not going to use any other lipstick than this. Since I wanted a nude shade, I thought of using this, the peachy nude. And now on top of this, I am going to use this lip gloss, which is my current favorite. I ordered this from Amazon and it is so gorgeous, and this gloss is just stunning. You all can see that I have been obsessing over this gloss. So yes, I am good to go, and before I end this video, let me show you how this makeup looks in natural light. At the moment I am in sunlight, so let me just get inside the room, and this is how it looks. This is no external lights, just the natural light, and this is sunlight. I hope you guys like this look and hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye and take care.